Hello everyone, Charles here with slicktrade.net, and in this presentation I'm going to cover how to change your MetaTrader 4 master password. Okay, I've had a few people ask me about this, so I figured creating a post with some screenshots along with a short video to explain it would help you out. Now, when you are issued a password for your MetaTrader 4 account, usually it is a string of characters, okay, upper and lower case. So it can be a bit of a pain when you have multiple computers or VPSs, or you want to be able to log in on your mobile devices with the MetaTrader 4 app. So by changing it, you can create a password that suits you across the board. You can remember it, and you don't have to have it saved somewhere, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to bring up your MetaTrader 4 platform. You'll go to Tools, Options, and you'll click on the Server tab, okay? So if that's not already selected, go ahead and select it. Here you'll see your login, and you'll choose Change. You'll type in your current password. You want to change the master password. And then you'll type in a new password. Hit OK. Oh, sorry about that. Hit OK. Now it's going to reload everything for you. And when this happens, you're going to see red down in this lower right-hand corner. Okay? I'm just going to grab a quick screenshot. Maybe. There we go. Okay. So you're going to go ahead and hit OK. Then you'll see invalid account. So what you'll do is you'll go to File, log in to Trade Account, choose the correct account number, the correct server, and type in your new password. Choose Login. It's going to reload everything again. And then, once this icon changes down here again to show that you're logged in, no longer states invalid account, and it's no longer all red, you are set to go. So that is how you change a master password for MetaTrader 4. All right. I hope that this helped you all out. If you're a Slick Trade member, I'll see you in the room. And if you're not, feel free to check out slicktrade.net for free trading education. And hopefully it'll help you with your trading ventures. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.